Now let's talk about our keyboard. A regular keyboard normally has 104 keys. A keyboard has 4 main sections. The first section is known as the function keys and has keys from F1 to F12. The next area is known as the typewriter keys, and this area contains all of our characters from A to Z and numbers from 1 to 0, as well as some of the punctuation keys. This area also contains caps lock, shift, control, alt, and spacebar keys, as well as the backspace and enter keys. Alongside of it, we have our cursor control key area. In the cursor area, we have our up, down, left, and right keys, and we also have our insert, home, page up, page down, and end delete keys. Beside this area is the numeric keypad, which can be used with the numlock key. Most of the calculations are done using numpad,